Dear student, we are going to our NEET of the solid state. We completed our chapter solid state. For the better understanding of this chapter, we have to clear some basic concept about solid state. Only textbook is not enough for your preparation of NEET. So, this lecture is very important. So, focus carefully and listen. A compound MPXQ has cubic close packing. CCP means FCC. Now, we know CCP means FCC. Arrangement of X. So, element X is arranged in FCC structure. Its unit cell structure is shown in figure. The empirical formula of the compound is from the diagram we have to derive its empirical formula. You can see square is element M, where round is element X. So here X are present, 6X on the face center. Another 8 are on corner of the cube, and square is our element M. But only 4 are present on the edges and one of them in the center of the cube. So now tell me, at the corner, sphere is not a participated of the cube. It is 1/8 portion of it. 1/8 portion shape. So 1/8 8 times, so equal to 1. So X is 1 due to corners, and 6 into 1/2. So 3 due to, yes, this face center sphere is 1/2 of our cube. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. How many times? 6 times. So it is 3. So total X is 4. Now what about M? So actually on the edges, sphere is set with another 4. So 1/4 portion of it. 1/4 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is not present. So 1 time due to corners and 1 time due to center. So 1 plus 1, 2. So M X is 4. M is 2. So ratio of M X is 2:4. We are dividing both by 2. So 1:2. So MX2 is our empirical formula. Number of atoms of X on the corner. 8 into 1/8 times. So it is 1. And 6 on the face center. It is 3. So total 4. And number of atoms M on the edge is 4 times. So 4 into 1/4. And in the center 1. So it is 2. So M is 2. X is 4. So 1:2. Formula is MX2. Now what about this? Think about this diagram and solve the question. Same we discussed one in Gujarati, but I will explain into in English. Listen. This is the structure of the diamond. In per unit cell of the diamond, how many atoms are present? In the unit cell of diamond, once again I am asking you question. In the 1 unit cell of the diamond, how many atoms are present? We know every carbon is attached with another 4 carbon by covalent bond, and it is strong covalent bond. So shape of this portion is tetrahedral. Every carbon is surrounded by another 4 carbon atoms, and every carbon is lying down between the tetrahedral voids. એટલે કે atom is coming between 4 another atoms, that is called the tetrahedral voids. So at every 4 sphere occurs space, there is 1 carbon. Clear? So now listen, when we draw a diagram, so you can see here our sphere is lying down at the corners. Red sphere you can see are at the corners of the cube, and another 6 are right on face center. Now every 4 carbon, when we join some 1, 2, 3 and 4, so it makes a tetrahedral voids. There is 1 carbon present. We discussed every carbon is attached with another 4 carbon. And in diamond, every carbon બીજા 4 carbon સાથે connected હોય. So in this portion, 1 green colored sphere is a carbon. Red color also carbon. Green color is the middle one of the 4. So octahedral voids માં છે. That one is હવે આના 8 portion લઈએ. આ યુનિટ સેલ નો 8th part. તો એમાં આ તમે જો alternatively carbon are present, and when we join so it makes look like this. And આ 4 sphere ની વચ્ચે જે આવે that is one is surrounded by 4, like tetrahedral voids છે. But listen, આ part માં carbon હોય તો next part માં નહીં હોય. Reason for that valency of carbon is only 4. More than 4 valency is not possible of the carbon. એટલે અહીંયા હશે, અહીં નહીં હોય. પછી અહીંયા હશે, જો આ પાર્ટમાં છે, આ પાર્ટમાં છે, આ પાર્ટમાં નથી, પછી આ પાર્ટમાં છે, તેના આગળના પાર્ટમાં નથી, પછી નીચેના પાર્ટમાં છે, તો પાછળના પાર્ટમાં નથી, આ સાઈડ પાર્ટમાં છે, આગળના પાર્ટમાં નથી. તો આવા 4 સ્ફિયર છે ઇન tetrahedral voids માં. એટલે due to corners 8 into 1 by 8, so 1 due to corners, and on face center due to face center 1/2 by 6, so 3 1/2 6 times, 1 by 8 8 times, so it is 1 carbon. Due to corners 1 atom of carbon, and due to face center there are 3, and 4 is individual of eta which are not shared with another unit cell. Individual 4 of inside it which are in octahedral voids. Octahedral voids. due to. So total number of atoms are 8 in 1 unit cell of a diamond. Now we are comparing our metallic structure and ionic structure of FCC. Yes, here comparison is given about ionic structure and metallic structure in FCC. Some metals possesses having a FCC structure or CCP. So which type of metals possesses structure? Copper, silver, iron, nickel and platinum having a FCC structure. In the FCC structure you can see sphere. Atoms are present at the corners and 6 are lying down at the center of the face. So that is called the face-centered structure. So in this structure, how many atoms are there? Tell me, in per 1 unit cell. In this structure you can see 8 are present at the corner, but having corner, sphere on corner is not individual of it. 1/8 of 8. 1/8% is occupied of the our unit cell. So this one 8 times. So due to corner it is 1. Due to corner it is 1. And due to face center 1/2. 6 times. So 3. So total number of atoms per unit cell are 4. Per unit cell number of atom is 4 in FCC structure. Understood? Metal having only metallic bond. Metal માં ખાલી metallic bond જ હોય. બધા sphere એક જ size ના હોય. So due to corner 1 atom of copper and due to face center 3 atoms. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 6 times. So 1/2 6 times means 3. And 1/8 8 times 11. The total sphere is 4 in per unit cell, 1 unit cell of the copper FCC structure. But in ionic, what happens there? In ionic compound, what happens? So actually which type of crystals, ionic crystals possesses FCC structure? So sodium chloride, lithium chloride, potassium bromide, rubidium iodide, silver chloride, silver bromide, ferrous oxide and calcium oxide possesses FCC structure. So you can see in ionic compound generally in most of the cases negative ion is big in size and positive ion is small in size. So negative ions makes our crystal. So you can see our chloride ion makes a structure and which is FCC. 8 chloride on the corner and 6 are on the face center. And a smaller one, Na plus ion, and just nana is lying down in the octahedral words. Octahedral એટલે આ 4 sphere ની વચ્ચે. એટલે this one octahedral. એજીસ ઉપર જે સોડિયમ છે એ પણ octahedral voids છે. Positive ion generally occupies in voids. So you can see this one is our ionic structure. So we have to find both type of spheres. Here all the sphere are same having radius. આ બધા જ copper metal હતી, બધા atom same હતા. So no problem. But here we have to find both type of ions. So first we are finding chloride. Due to corner 8 into 1 by 8. So it is 1 chloride. And due to 6 faces, 6 into 1 half, so 3. So 3 plus 1, total chloride are 4. And now sodium. In the center, there is 1 sodium. And on edges, it is 1 by 4th portion of it is of a unit cell. And 1 by 4 portion unit cell no gana. So 1 by 4, how many times? 12 times. So 3. So 3 plus 1, so 4 Na plus ion. So 4 Na plus 4 Cl. So here not atom but number of molecule is 4 in per unit cell. In the crystal of NaCl per unit cell there are 4 molecules of NaCl. Understood? Now in BCC structure, body centered. Yes sir. Whenever in our numericals comes FCC metallic structure, so Z will be 4. The number of atom is 4. Here we are using word number of atoms. Here Z will be 4, but we have to use word molecule are 4. Here molecule are 4, here atoms are 4. Don't make mistake. Store in your mind. Now what about BCC? In the BCC structure, 8 spheres are at the corner and 1 is in the body center. 8 sphere છે એ corner ઉપર છે અને 1 in the lithium, sodium, potassium. Which type of metal possesses BCC? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and barium having a BCC structure. In the metal all the atoms are same, so all 8 lithium are at the corners and 1 lithium is at the center of the cube. 8 lithium are on the corners and 1 is in the center of the cube. So find out number of atoms in per unit cell. Here middle one of the cube is individual. It's on. આ lithium છે એ પોતાનો individual છે, કોઈનો sharing માં નથી. But corner is sharing. તો આનો individually 1 by 8 portion આવે ને. So 1 by 8 8 times. So it will be 1. So 1 plus 1, so 2. In per unit cell of lithium, which having BCC structure, there are 2 atoms. But if our structure is BCC and compound is not metallic, it is ionic, then what happens? Yes, sir. In the case of sodium chloride, cesium bromide also. In the per unit cell, find out the number of molecules. Yes, in this case, cesium is lying in the center of the cube and chloride are at the corner of the cube. All the chlorides are present at the corner and cesium is present in the center of the cube. So due to corner 8 times 1 by 8, so 1 chloride ion. due to corners, there is one chloride ion. 8 into 1 by 8. 1 by 8, 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 8 times. So 1 chloride. Cesium is individual. It's not sharing with another like this. So one positive radical and one negative. So number of molecule is 1. Here Z will be 2. The number of atoms per unit cell 2. Here Z is 1. Number of molecule is 1. Yes, sir. Type of lattice point and contribution to one unit cell. Yes. Whenever lattice point present on the corner, so we know it is a 1/8 particle atom or ion of the unit cell on 1/8% level. On edges, yes, whenever particle on edges lattice point, so 1/4% should be of unit cell on 1/4% level. I know. Phase center. Lattice point is present on the phase center. So 1/2 particle of it in body center. It is not shared with another. It is individual of it. It is one particle. Most of the metal belongs to S block and D block element which possesses any one of the following close packing arrangement. Most of in our modern periodic table there are 4 parts: S block, P block, D block, F block. So out of 4 block, S block and D block element are metallic, F block also metallic, but S block and D block element are metallic, and it possesses CCP, cubic close pack means FCC, otherwise hexagonal close pack HCP, otherwise it possesses BCC, body center close pack. So now you can see which metal. Yes, this one is given in our book. Only 4 are given in our book. Magnesium, zinc is given. Another one, molybdenum, vanadium and cadmium are hexagonal close pack, where copper, silver, iron, nickel and platinum are CCP or FCC structure, where lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and barium is a BCC. In a crystalline solid, atoms of X form FCC packing. X છે એ crystalના sphere છે, and atoms of Y occupy all octahedral voids. If all the atoms along one body diagonal are removed, then the simplest formula of the crystalline solid will be, you can see, first crystalline solid atoms of X is FCC. Yes. First we have to take our unit cell like this. This one is our unit cell. X form FCC packing and the atoms Y occupy all octahedral voids. If all the atoms along one body diagonal are removed, X channel, X, that is called FCC arrangement. એટલે બધા કોર્નર્સ ઉપર અને ફેસના સેન્ટર ઉપર એટલે FCC અરેન્જમેન્ટ કહેવાય. અંડરસ્ટુડ? Why on octahedral voids? octahedral voids એટલે આ સેન્ટરમાં હોય છે 1 2 3 4 5 6 ની હોય છે અને પછી જે એજીસ ઉપર છે એ બધા octahedral voids છે. Understood? Hint: number of atoms of X in FCC packing at corner and face center. એટલે પહેલા X કાઉન્ટ કરીએ. 8 corner છે એટલે 8 into 1 by 8 એટલે 1 by face ઉપર 1 of 6 time એટલે 3 3 plus 1 4. Number of atoms of Y of octahedral voids are 4. Yes, જેટલા નંબર ઓફ એટમ્સ હોય સ્ફિયર બનાવતા ક્રિસ્ટલ બનાવતા એટલા જ octahedral void હશે. So it is 4. Along one body diagonal there are 2 X atoms and 1 Y will be removed, sir. Yes, sir. Diagonal means one central line is passing throughout it. That is diagonal. So this one X and this one Y and another X will be removed. So 2X and 1Y will be removed. This is diagonal. One diagonal. एक लाइन पास થાય એટલે અહીંથી બે X અને સેન્ટરનો Y રિમૂવ થઈ જાય. So number of effective atom of X after removal એટલે 4 minus 2 into 1 by 8 એટલે 4 તો હતા જ એમાંથી 1 by 8 1 by 8 2 times remove થાય એટલે 4 minus 2 by 8 એટલે 1 by 4 4 minus 1 by 4 so 15 by 4 થશે. The number of effective atoms of Y after removal. Y તો ઇન્ડિવિડ્યુઅલ આખું એક હતું તો Y 4 હતા એમાંથી એક ગયો એટલે 3 થાય એટલે X 15 by 4 છે Y 3 છે. So 15 by 4 is to 3. 4 3 are 12. So 15 is to 12. Both divide by 3. 3 4 are 12, 3 5. So 5 is to 4. So X5 5 4 is our formula. Understood? Now next question. In a solid oxide are arranged in CCP. CCP means FCC arrangement. The oxide are sphere of our crystal. Cation, positive ion, A plus 3 occupies 1/6 of the tetrahedral void and cation B plus 3 occupies 1/3 of the octahedral void. What is the formula of the compound? What is the formula of the compound? Number of oxide ion in packing is N. Yes. In our FCC structure, oxide are in corner and on face center. Is clear? That is CCP. A plus 3 occupies 1/6 portion of tetrahedral void and B plus 3 occupy 1/3 portion of octahedral. Here we are assuming number of oxide ion in the closed packing is suppose N. So number of octahedral voids will be equal to our spheres. જેટલા sphere હોય એટલા octahedral voids હોય. But tetrahedral voids are double, so it is 2n. Now 1/6 portion of tetrahedral voids. So આ જે tetrahedral છે એનો 1/6 portion occupied by b plus 3. So 2n by 6, so n by 3. So a plus 3 is n by 3. Now b plus 3 occupies 1/3 of octahedral void. Octahedral void is n. 1/3 of it, so n by 3. So now ratio of a plus 3, b plus 3 and o minus 2 is here n by 3, n by 3 and n. So we are taking LCM 3. So multiplying by 3, 3, 3, 3 cut and here 3. करते हैं n by 3, n by 3 and n. We are multiplying by 3 to all the result. So n, n, and 3n. So 1 n will be cut. 1, 1, 3. 1 is to 1 is to 3. So formula of the compound AbO3. Now sodium metal atoms are at the corner of the cube. Tungsten is in the center of the cube and oxygen are on the edges of the cube. So formula will be, yes sir, sodium metal atoms are at corner. So due to corner 8 into 1 by 8, so 1 sodium. And due to center it is indivisible, 1 tungsten. And due to edges 1 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So 3 times oxygen. So sodium 1 times, tungsten 1 times and oxygen 3 times. So formula is NaWO3. Now calculation of packing fraction in 2 dimension. Yes, in our book, આપણી bookમાં packing efficiency of 3 dimension. Like 3 dimension close packing ની packing efficiency છે. It is not given for 2 dimension, 2D. Square close pack, any packing efficiency. In the square close pack, you can see row of A type repeats again and again, and this 4 makes a square. So it is called a 2-dimension square close pack arrangement. First we have to derive area of a square. પહેલા આપણે આનો એરિયા લેશું સ્ક્વેર નો. પછી how much portion is occupied by sphere એ લેશું. એનો રેશિયો લઈએ એટલે આપણને efficiency મળે. Here in the square close pack you can see sphere are touches each other. Yes sir. Sphere are touching on the edges. So radius of both are small r. So edge length here A is 2r. Edge length is here 2r. In the square, length and breadth gives area. So a square. Edge length clear, any radius r, any radius r. So a is equal to 2r. So area of square, a square. So 2r square, the square of 2r means 4r square. That is our area of this square. Now occupied area by the sphere. Here occupied area by the sphere. You can see this portion is vacant, vacancy, open, vacant. This portion is only occupied. एक sphere, not sphere but ring. A ring no 1/4 portion છે. So 1/4 portion 4 times of the ring. So it gives one ring. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So how much portion is occupied by the ring? So you can see is pi r square. And one cycle હોય એનો area pi r square થાય. Yes, the occupied space by the circle is occupied area is pi r square of one circle. આ ચારે થઈને one circle થાય. And total area of square is 4r square. R square cut 3.14 upon 4. So 0.78 and multiply by 100 karo. So it gives a percentage. In 3-dimension closed spake, percentage ratio is 52.36. But here it is 78%. You can see this one is a 2-dimension. Next, hexagonal close packing, HCP, in 2-dimension. Packing efficiency in hexagonal close packing. Yes, here we are taking 3 sphere, another 2, then another 2. We are joining center of the 6th sphere, that is hexagon. Here, how much portion is occupied? Yes, 1 total sphere, individual 1. This is the 1/3 portion. You have seen symbol of Mercedes. Yes, it divide our circle in 3 parts, and every part is 1/3. So this is 1/3 part of a circle is occupied. So 1/3 part, how many times? 6 times. So 1/3 6 times, so 2 sphere. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1/3 part 6 times makes 2 circle and one of the center. So total circles are 3. So total one circle having area pi r square. So 3 circle having 3 pi r square is occupied space by the sphere. Now these are vacancies. And we have to first derive area of the hexagon. In the hexagon there are 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 6 triangle equilateral. The length, breadth, all sides are same. That is called equilateral triangle. We are taking this equilateral. So for getting area of this triangle, and this triangle repeats 6 times. तो पहला આપણે એક ટ્રાયેંગલ નો આપણે એરિયા લઈ લઈએ. સ્ફિયર થી ઓક્યુપાઈડ પડી ગયો 3 pi r square. તો પહેલા એક ટ્રાયેંગલ નો એરિયા ડિરાઈવ કરીએ. So actually area of this A, B, C and D, this is 90. Here 2 radius, r plus r. There are also 2 radius. This is, we have to derive AD first. Actually area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 into AD upon AB. AD perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular is AD, CD. This is the formula of finding area of the triangle for equatorial triangle. Equatorial triangle no આપણે એરિયા ડિફાઇન કરવું છે. આ એક ટ્રાયેંગલ લઉં છું, આ 6 માંથી 1. Once again, this is D, A, B, C. These are 90. હવે આ બે છે જ્યાં ટચ થાય છે એટલે A B છે એ 2R થશે, R plus R. These are also 2 times r. 1 times r 2 times r. Clear? Now in triangle ADB, angle D is a 90. Clear? Now CD square plus BD square is equal to CD square plus BD square is equal to CB square. So here CD square we have to define. BD square is R square. Here CB 2R square. So 4R square. Here R square plus CD square. So CD square is equal to 4R square minus R square. We are simplifying. So 3R square. CD. So CD is equal to under root 3R. This is important. Now area of a triangle 1/2 into CD into AB. A triangle area levu ento 1/2 into CD and AB levu pade. 1/2 into CD into AB. So CD is derived root 3R. AB is base. A to B 2 times R. 2 cut. So root 3R square is area of one triangle. So root 3R square. And this R root 3R square is the area of one triangle. So these are 6. So 6 times. So total area of hexagon is 6 into under root 3R square. So taking fraction in 2 dimension. So occupied area by the circle is 3 pi r square. Total area of hexagon is 6 under root 3R square. So it is 0.91. Multiply by 100, it gives 91%. In hexagonal of 3 dimensions there are 78 sorry, and here is 91. That was for 3 dimension, here is for 2 dimension. Length now in the FCC 2 dimension, yes sir. FCC and 2D. You can see in the face centered sphere are present on corner and on the face center. So face centered sphere is connected with another 4. Here our sphere are not touching to each other. There is gap. So we can't derive directly each length. A direct name. So here in triangle ABC, angle B is a 90. This one. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal. Here 4 times R. This one too. These are RR and touches to each other. So AB square means A square plus A square. ANA. Edge length is equal to AC square 4R square. So 2A square is equal to 16R square. So A square is equal to 8R square. So A is equal to 2 root 2R. Because root of 8 means 2 4 jai. So 2 root 2. So edge length is 2 root 2R in this case. So total area of square ABCD edge length is derived is 2 root 2 r. So total area of our square, this square ABCD is a square length into breadth. Length and breadth. A into A gives a area, not volume. So A square is equal to 2 root 2 r square. So 8 r square. And occupied area by the circle. This one of एक आँखों and 1 by 4 times. So 1 by 4 times, so it is 1 and 1 full, so 2 sphere. 2 circle. 1 circle area pi r square, so 2 circle of 2 pi r square. So occupied area by the circle is 2 pi r square, and square of area of square ABCD is 8 r square. R square cut pi by 4, so 0.785 multiplied by 100, so it is 78.5%. These are also taking efficiency in 2D, not in 3D. Now some relation, calculation of atomic radius. Simple cubic unit cell R is equal to A by 2. In face center unit cell R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Here R is equal to A root 3 by 4. We discussed. But in the calculation of ionic radius, in ionic radius it is something different. You can see here R is equal to, for the atomic, atoms are very close and touches each other. So 2 times R is equal to A. So R is equal to A by 2. Clear? In the phase center, we discussed A is equal to 2 root 2 R. So R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Like this in BCC, A is equal to 4R upon root 3. So R is equal to A root 3 by 4. But these are only for metallic. But what about ionic structure? In FCC, if our structure is ionic, so negative ion are on corner and one of negative in the center of the face, and positive ion is in the void, that is octahedral void. So you can see here our 2 negative ion is not touching, but 1 positive ion touches both negative ion. So here edge length is 2 times radius of positive ion and 2 times radius of negative ion. So it is equal to A. So 2 is common, so R plus and R minus is equal to A. So R plus R minus is A by 2. Here you can see our change here. 1 time positive radius, 1 time negative radius. Even total is a half of edge length NC. Like this, BCC is ionic. Then radius of cation, positive ion, and radius of negative ion is equal to A root 3 by 2. For ionic compound, this formula is applicable, and these are for metallic. This formula for the density, getting density. Yes, sir. Actually, Z into M rho into Na is our main formula. Clear? Now, we are taking cube root both sides, so 1/3. Z is taken 1 for simple cubic. For FCC, Z is taken 4 per unit cell atom or 4. In BCC, Z is taken 2. Now you can see copper is a metal, it has a FCC structure. So for copper metal here A is equal to 2 under root 2 R. It is clear? So R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Where NaCl we discussed here, we are doing revision, having FCC structure. So edge length is 2 times of positive radius and 2 times of negative radius. So A is equal to 2 times R plus radius of negative ion and 2 times radius of positive ion. It gives edge length. 2 is common, so R plus R minus is equal to A by 2. Now we will discuss about it in our next lecture. Jai Hind, bye.